Today it is Funny Friday. It's quite a wet one. It's really raining, but you know what? That's not going to stop us from going out and having some fun in the garden. It's Funny Friday and we're going to have a lovely time. We're going to go outside, get our waterproofs on, and we're going to go splashing in puddles. Yes, I love splashing in puddles. On my tongue, I love it. I love it. Right, where's our puddles? Where are we going? Let's go. There? Yeah. There? Oh, yes. Good one. Yay. That's.
So you guys keep splashing. Wow!
Splash! This is so much fun.
Splash, splash, so much fun. Oh, look, it's gone brown. Can you see? It's gone brown with all the mud. Boing. Let's see how big you can make your splash. Ready? Whoa!
We're going enormous splash.
Enormous splash. Go on then. Ready? Steady. Go! Ah! Yes! Such a good one. See if we can find a big puddle over here. Enormous puddle. Come on then. Come on then. Come on then. Run. Oh! Splash! That is so big. Splash!
It's raining on your hood.
It's raining on my head. Lucky I've got my hood up. Yay! Got a muddy puddle? Come on then!
Are you feeling a bit cold?
What fun! It was really wet and really great to do so much splashing. We found a shower and we found loads of different puddles, some muddy, some stony ones, and we had a really nice time running around and splashing in all the puddles. Thank you to Len for coming and playing with me. I'm going to go get dry now, but I'll see you on Monday for a Manufacture Monday. Bye!